Delhi woke up to the season's worst air quality, where the 24-hour average of air quality in the national capital maintains at an average of 471. Authorities have advised people to limit outdoor activities. The government has in fact indicated that private and government offices should be cutting vehicle usage by at least 30% as air quality in Delhi NCR inched towards the emergency level. Across NCR, air quality dipped to the hazardous category. Parts of Delhi are reporting an AQI of over 500. In Noida, the AQI was at 587 this morning. Ghaziabad close to 500. Gurugram at 557. The nightmarish situation is likely to see no respite in the next 2 to 3 days, is what the Met Department has said. It's the subcommittee on the Graded Response Action Plan, and they are going to be meeting on pollution at 4 PM today.
केंद्र सरकार ने चुप्पी क्यों साध रखा है? क्योंकि अगर सिचुएशन खराब हो रही है तो इसमें ज्वाइंट मीटिंग करके और इमरजेंसी मेजर क्या लिए जा सकते हैं तत्काल पराली का जो पोल्यूशन है उसे रोकने के लिए, उसको तत्काल करने की जरूरत है। लेकिन अभी केंद्र सरकार ने चुप्पी क्यों साध रखा है, ये हमारे समझ के परे है। हमने दोबारा पत्र भेजा है, हमें उम्मीद है कि शायद जल्दी सरकार इस पर निर्णय लेगी।
There is a thick blanket of smog which has enveloped the entire national capital region, and this is making it unbearable and extremely difficult for people who stay in the region to breathe. People are now struggling to breathe clean air. This is something which is unbelievable, but it's happening, and it's been happening over the past few days. I'm standing very close to the Rashtrapati Bhavan, but as you can see, the entire North Block, South Block, where the Finance Ministry, the Ministry of Defence is also right behind those ministries, used to be the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It's still there, but we cannot see it. Now this is not due to the cold weather. This is due to massive pollution which has engulfed the entire region. Now many measures have been put in place. In fact, government officials have been asked to reduce their cars by 30%, to reduce the vehicular use by 30%. But experts say this is too little, too late, and it will still not solve the problem, because what's happening is that due to low air pressure, the pollution has been staying in the national capital for over the past 1 week, and doctors and experts are fearing this could also possibly lead to a rise in COVID numbers too. Now the need of the hour is for the governments to sit together and to find a permanent solution, otherwise the story will be the same year after year. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Nasir Khan.